Hi, my next broadcast for today. What I wanted to touch on briefly because I have gotten some interest in the kits and I wanted to talk a little bit about it, a little more about it. It's the purpose of it because there are a lot of men out there who are interested in the penis enhancement kit. And that's something that you have to be wanting to do it. You must have a desire to do it. And of course, once you have the desire to do it, you must make sure that you do all the right things. For example, depending on the age bracket you fall into, there are different kits for you. If you are between the ages of, let's say, 18 to 25, you would need just a basic kit to start off with, and that may last you for the entire procedure, for example, 3 to 6 months. Now, there's a maturity process that goes on after that you have to take into consideration to make sure you maintain the size. Anything you do to the penis would last throughout your life, but if you don't continue using your penis or exercising your penis in the proper way, you're going to lose the gains that you achieve. So let's say you start off with a 4.5 inch penis now, and you're 18 years of age, you can extend that or expand that in both thickness and in length by about 25%. So the girth of your penis, which is the measurement around the penis, and you don't measure the penis at the base. You normally measure the penis just under the head of the penis. So that's how you get the girth. The length is measured from the top, not underneath by the balls, from the top against your skin all the way to the front in a straight line. If the penis is curved, you don't follow the curve. You measure in a straight line. Now, when you have both those measurements, you do it in the flaccid state. So you have two measurements in the flaccid state, which is the length and the circumference, and erected, the length and the circumference. That's your correct measurement. So whatever measurement you start off with, that's what we'll be using to determine what can happen to you. Now, there's always a percentage increase in size in both thickness and in length. So when you talk about the penis size enhancement as opposed to enlargement, most men would want to take a 5 inch penis and make it 10 inches. That's impossible. That's not going to happen. Don't even think about that. Not even with surgery that can happen. Again, I repeat that. Your penis cannot double its size, not even with surgery. Now, there are surgical procedures to extend your penis. But when you do the surgical procedure, you can no longer get an erection this way. Your erection will be that way because you have cut around the PC muscle or the erectile tissue. You have extended penis out because normally there is 2/3 of the penis outside and 1/3 of the penis inside. So when you cut the tissue and pull it forward, reattach the tissue, the penis is erected, but it stays in this way because there's not enough erectile tissue to lift it this way. That's for those who want to do surgery. But the best way is to exercise the penis using a pump and, of course, taking the right supplements. Now, the right supplements is dependent on your age. If you are a teenager, you use less supplements as opposed to as a person who is older. If you're over 40 years of age, you have to use a growth hormone because the body no longer produces growth hormones when you cross a certain age. So there are a lot of challenges when it comes to what you should be using, how you should be using it in order to get the best possible development of your penis. Now, it's very easy to go into a store, pharmacy or wherever and buy a pump, buy supplements, and you see sometimes something advertised. If you use this supplement, your penis is going to grow by 3 inches. Those things are false advertising. I do not subscribe to any sort of false advertising because I have my name to protect. I have my image to protect. It has taken me 25, 30 years to build my name. I am not going to advertise something falsely that does not work. So if you want to use a rub, for example, because sometimes you see, buy this cream and if you rub it on your penis, it's going to grow by 3 inches, 5 inches, whatever. That's not going to happen. It's fooling people into thinking that if they use a particular product, it's going to work for them. So don't be fooled by these things. And rub it onto the penis. My penis is going to grow. How come my hands are not growing? There's nothing that you can rub onto your body that will cause growth to take place. There is nothing that you can take, no tablet that you're going to take that will cause growth to take place in any part of your body unless you're exercising. That's why bodybuilders need to exercise almost every single day of their lives. They need to take supplements to develop themselves. So don't be fooled into thinking that if I take a particular product, it's going to work for me and I'm going to get development unnaturally. It must be a natural process. Now, what's the right pump for me? The right pump for you will be dependent on a number of factors: your age, your penis size in the flaccid state, and your penis size in the erected state. And how long does a pump last? A pump will last for a certain period of time, and then it no longer have this suction. Am I pumping air into my penis? No. You are creating a vacuum that causes the penis, a sucking motion on the penis that causes development. Can the pump hurt me? No. The pump is designed in such a way that if you exert too much pressure on it, onto the penis or wherever else, it's going to self-destruct. It is made to self-destruct. So more than likely, whenever somebody buys a pump and they tell me it's no longer working, it's because they try to overdo it. How often should I be exercising my penis? 3 times a week. 1 day in, 1 day out. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. What's the best procedure for me? What kit can I get? Do I need to come to Total Image? Do I need to go to Dr. Raj Adult Boutique to buy a pump? No. You can contact me via Skype. You can contact me via Facebook. You can contact me via my WhatsApp number, 7401961. We put together a kit for you. We make that kit available to you. We can mail it to you. We can have someone drop it for you, right? Or we can leave it at one of the stores for you to just come and pick up. So the kits for penis enhancement, for premature ejaculation, for erectile dysfunction are all available. Even if you're in Tobago, we can send it for you in Tobago. If you're in any part of the world, we can send it to you. So we will ask you for that information. Look at it, decide on what's best for you, give you a cost, and then you have your pump and you have your equipment to use. You have your program that you're able to take this program and use it in a particular way so you get the best benefits out of it. What I advise you to do is to make sure you have all the relevant information if you're contacting me. Provide me with the information. I will tell you of a means of payment. You can pay via PayPal. You can pay at the bank. You can send a money order or a certified check. Or you can come and pay cash at any one of the branches and get your product. The product is geared specifically to you. You cannot buy a product for yourself and give it to your neighbor to use. You cannot buy a product for yourself and give it to your brother to use. It is geared towards the individual. The kits are specific to the individual. So if there's a particular need that you have, you want to fulfill that need, you want to develop your penis, you want to cure your premature ejaculation, your erectile dysfunction, or whatever else you may have, we can provide a kit for you. All you need to do is to contact us, 7401961, 6454543, 770-8700. What's the other two numbers? 303-0857 and 366-5843. Contact us at any one of those numbers. Of course, my personal number again is 7401961. Let me know what you need. We put it together for you. We give you the best possible product. And of course, you have follow-up because I'm here. Dr. Raj is in Trinidad. You can reach me at any time. You have my cell number. You have my Facebook page. You can listen to me on the radio on Sexplosion on Power 102 every Thursday and Friday night. You have accessibility to me. I'm very accessible. You can reach me at any time. You can ask questions. Even after you buy the product, you can still ask questions and you will still get advice. So thank you for your time.